In this tutorial, I'll use Oracle Fusion HCM Analytics to better understand my workforce, starting with Prebuilt analytics and then creating a custom analysis using the Workforce Core subject area. Fusion HCM Analytics provides pre-built dashboards and subject areas to analyze workforce trends, monitor key metrics, and support data-driven decisions. Additionally, workbook authors can build custom analysis using curated workforce data. In this scenario, I'm an HR analyst, and I need to analyze hiring trends, workforce distribution, and the impact of new hires on retention. I'll start by opening a pre-built workbook to understand current workforce trends. Here, I can review key metrics like headcount, retention, and workforce distribution. I can also explore the data by applying filters or drilling into the visualizations. I can also create my own custom analysis using the Workforce Core subject area to answer more specific questions. With Workforce Core, I can analyze assignment and demographic information in the Worker folder and track workforce movements like promotions and transfers in the Worker Event Details folder. With Fusion HCM Analytics, I can analyze trends over time instead of only viewing the current state. I can also use pre-built metrics like headcount, full-time equivalent, and new hire turnover to speed up my analysis without building calculations from scratch. If I need more detail about the available pre-built content, I can refer to the HCM Analytics documentation to explore subject areas, dashboards, and metrics for each new release. Now I'll continue building my analysis by adding dashboard filters. Filters help me narrow the view of the data and improve query performance as I add more metrics, and consumers can focus the data according to their needs. Next, I'll add attributes like business unit name, job family, and country name to the dashboard filters and set them to focus my analysis. To analyze hiring trends, I'll create a visualization by right-clicking Hire Count and selecting Create Best Visualization. Oracle Analytics creates a tile visualization, which I can move and resize. I'll add quarter to the x-axis. It automatically updates to a line chart. I can include a trend line to better understand the overall pattern. To focus on recent hiring trends, I'll update this visualization by changing it to a bar chart and adjusting the filters. To add more detail, I'll include grade name to break down hiring across different levels. I'll then change this to a stacked bar chart to better compare the distribution and add a reference line to show the average. To explore this further, I'll duplicate this visualization and adjust it to focus on location. I'll remove grade name, update the business unit name filter to include all values, and add country name to break down hiring trends by location. I'll then change this to a map to better visualize the geographic distribution. Next, I want to evaluate hiring effectiveness, so I'll create another visualization using new hire turnover. By analyzing this metric over time, I can identify whether retention is improving or if action is needed. Once my analysis is complete, I'll save the workbook in a shared folder so other business users can access it. Now that I've built a workforce analysis showing hiring trends, geographic distribution, and retention, I can better understand my workforce and make more informed decisions. Find more information and additional resources on using Oracle Fusion HCM Analytics in the links below.